So we are going live now.
Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon to all our guests from different countries. Nice meeting you here again. I'm Claire Fan from Orange Fab Taipei and will moderate the event today. Well, thank you so much for attendance to this event. At the beginning, I would like to share the news about Orange and the Orange Fab, especially for our new friends. So please enjoy the video.
Orange Fab Asia is an accelerator program to support startups based in Asia. Orange is one of the largest telecom operators in Europe and Africa with around 270 million customers. Orange has consumer customers in 26 countries, mainly in Europe and Middle East Africa. Orange also provides B2B services in most of countries and territories in the world. Orange commits to support startups to accelerate open innovation. One of the key initiatives for open innovation is the accelerator program, Orange Fab. We have the program in 18 countries around the world, including 3 in Asia. Orange Fab Asia has a program in 3 countries, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. We focus on supporting startups based in Asia to go global market, utilizing the global network of Orange. We provide mentoring, connecting with relevant business units of Orange and our corporate partners, and we organize events like Demo Day and also support to participate in events around the world. We started the program in Asia in 2013. Since then, we have run 13 seasons of the 3-month program in which 204 startups have joined. We are proud to have 3 IPOs and 4 acquisitions of our startups. And over $700 million are fundraised in total by our startups. A lot of mentors based in Asia, Europe, and US give advice to our startups. Let me introduce some cases about how Orange supports our startups. Orange sells startups products such as the Braille smartwatch by Dot and the Group Talk earphone device, Bonks, at its online and offline shops. Orange also distributes startups products to business customers. For example, Orange distributes 4D Replay 360-degree video solution for large events in France. Another example of our support is for Melip AR Tech Sports startups. We installed their service into Orange Gardens, our office in Paris, so that they can demonstrate their service for potential customers in France and Europe, from which it acquired many customers in France. Not only for Orange, we have a lot of corporate partners. We introduce our startups to the global corporations for them to grab the opportunities to go global markets. Many startups are taking advantage of the network to grow their business. Demo Day is one of our key activities in the program. We hold the event every season, twice a year, in each of Tokyo, Seoul, and Taipei. The startups from the 3 countries participate in the demo days in the 3 cities. We also provide many opportunities to exhibit at large conferences globally. Vivatech is held in Paris every year. We have brought more than 10 startups each year from Asia since its first event in 2016. Taking advantage of the opportunity to visit Paris for Vivatech, Orange Fab organizes pitch session to introduce Orange Fab Global Network startups to our colleagues in France. We invite startups to other events which Orange sponsors, such as Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, 2 Asian startups were invited in 2019. Partnering with J Startup and Jetro, Melip from Orange Fab Tokyo exhibited at Web Summit in 2019 as well. Another event in Paris, Change Now, which focuses on social impact solution, received 2 Asian startups with our support. Not only for Europe, we help the startups to expand their business to Asian market. From 2015, we sponsor InnoFest Unbound in Singapore every year to let our startups to showcase to the large audiences. We collaborate with our group company, Orange Business Services, to have our startups display at World Cities Summit in Singapore. Our colleagues in Beijing organizes China tour to visit 4 cities in China. Our startups participate in the tour every year. Our startups also participate in JEC CSR Forum in Shenzhen. Orange Fab Asia organizes Australia tour as well for our startups to seek opportunities to go into Australian market. Africa is a very important market for Orange. Even though it's a bit far from Asia, we are trying to help the startups to enter African market. Last year, we presented 2 startups at the Dakar Digital Show. We also help Orange Fab global network startups who are accelerated in other countries than Asia. In 2018, we supported 8 startups from around the world to participate in the Startup Festival in Busan, Korea. In other countries than Japan, Korea, and Taiwan, Orange Fab Asia holds a pitch competition to expand our coverage for open innovation in Asia. We have held our pitch events in Singapore, Australia, and Vietnam so far. That's all. If you are interested in our accelerator program, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.
All right, so I hope all our guests enjoy the video we just played back. So before we invite our staff to pitch themselves, and then I would like to introduce my colleagues to all of you. Well, first is our colleagues from Orange Fab Japan, Mr. Hiroshi Nishikawa. I think he would like to say a couple words to all of you. Hello, Hiroshi.
Hello, Claire. Thank you very much for our introduction. I'm Hiroshi Nishikawa. I'm based in Japan, Tokyo. I'm in charge of running an accelerator program, Orange Fab Tokyo program. Thank you.
Thank you, Hiroshi. And then next is Danny Han, who is my colleague from Fab, Korea, South Korea. Hi, Danny.
Hello, this is Danny Han, working in the Orange in Seoul. I'm responsible for Orange Fab Seoul program. So we are inviting our startups to apply to our next season of Orange Fab Asia program. So you can find that the application page in our homepage, orangefab.asia. So deadline is just 2 days. So please introduce this link to the startups you know so that they can apply to the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Danny. And next, that's my colleague from Fab Taipei as well, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Please say hello to our audience as well.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bruno. I'm working with Claire at Orange Fab Taipei, and I just arrived in September, so I'm quite new.
Thank you. Thank you to my great teams. And then next, I think all our colleagues will work together with me to moderate the event together. Well, now we are going to the star pitch event time. Without further ado, each startup gonna introduce themselves first, and then we will play back the pitch video. And next, 3 minutes reserved for Q&A session. We very welcome our audience to ask the startup question. Please type your question on the chat zone, as you could see from your screen. So you can type those questions you want to ask. And then our colleagues would help to ask your questions to start up. Okay, so the first up I would like to introduce is Iglis. So please, let's invite Michael to join the event with us. Hello, Michael, are you with us? Bruno.
Yeah, I'm adding him right now.
Thank you.
He should be joined in a minute.
You see he's online, right, with us?
Yes.
Great. Today we will have a total 7 staff to pitch today. So they come from different industry fields. Well, after the event, well, we will encourage our staff to visit their booths, online booths as well. I will further explain later on. So today there are 2 sessions included into this event. The first part is the pitch time, and the next time is booth time. Okay.
Where's Michael?
Yes. So his Windows crashed. Sorry. Maybe we can start the video.
Right.
Oh, he's there.
Yeah, I'm back. I don't know what happened. My browser closed.
That's
Good to
fine,
see
no
you.
problem. So we have you now, no problem. So please go ahead and introduce yourself to our audience, all right?
Okay. Hello, everyone. Michael Kizik. Our company is Iglis, and we focus on secure computing. Basically, I'm pretty sure you're going to see that in the video that will play quickly. But what we focus on is providing our customers the ability to process data in an encrypted format to preserve privacy and confidentiality of said data. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so now we look at the first shot from Iglis, their pitch video, please.
The current needs of the connected world and online businesses are rapidly accelerating the requirements for the storage and access to confidential information in the cloud. However, the accumulation of such valuable information not only makes it a tempting target, but also exponentially increases the risk of inadvertent leaks. Currently, regardless of the massive investments into data security, leaks and breach incidents are steadily increasing every year, with 85% of such incidents occurring due to the hardest variable to account for, human error. Depending on access protection is simply not enough. In turn, in the cases of data loss, an average business will encounter a 10% drop in share price, as well as a massive 21% drop in net income. These financial losses also tend to persist due to the loss of credibility associated with a breach. So how do we avoid these problems? We must address the underlying issues first. Currently, data security mainly relies on protecting data at the time of transmission or while in storage, the proverbial data in transit and data at rest. However, with this, data is only secured when it is not in use, and during actual processing, said data is decrypted and exposed, giving a window of opportunity to any attackers or malware on the system. In addition, most systems will store the keys to any database in the same location, allowing those with access complete control over encrypted data, and often, as in the case of malware, access to all the data in memory as well. Conversely, when database keys are stored on a separate server, they have to be requested for every operation, which tends to introduce latency and degrade performance. With these limitations in mind, we have to focus on protecting data in use, and Zero Trust Secure Computing can provide the defense that your data needs via continuous encryption of your databases. DataArmor GateDB from Iglis makes this possible. DataArmor Gate is an implementation of Iglis's secure computing technology. It allows for database operations in a completely encrypted state throughout the entire data lifecycle, communication, storage, and processing, all without sacrificing usability. This approach dramatically improves security as data stays encrypted while it is loaded in memory. Therefore, even if the database is compromised, the data cannot be decrypted. Additionally, since DataArmor Gate is provided as a system in a virtual container, it can be deployed quickly into existing environments. And it can easily add encryption capabilities to systems that currently lack security. DataArmor Gate also achieves an increase in performance over other approaches, as data does not have to be decrypted on the database itself, joining security and speed in one. Most importantly, always-on encryption gives you peace of mind in any environment, securing your data and allowing for autonomous operation in less than secure environments. Take the next step into the zero-trust computing era as flexible encryption becomes the future of database security. DataArmor Gate DB. Stay encrypted, stay connected, be sustainable.
Hi, my name is Michael Kiesig. We're Eagles, and as you've just seen in the showcase of our DataArmor Gate product, we provide secure computing solutions which allow our customers to process information in always encrypted format, in classic database scenarios as well as machine learning applications. The reasons we focus on secure computing stem from our belief that by protecting the privacy and confidentiality of all data, we will enable a broader exchange of the knowledge contained within, which will in turn open up new possibilities across the entire data science world, be it an analysis to detect fraud in a sea of financial transactions, or in creating AI models that can identify health issues faster and more accurately. We envision this technology driving towards a more sustainable worldwide data ecosystem and invite you to talk to us about how we can help you be a part of this transformation. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
Thank you. All right, so now it's Q&A time. Let's collect questions from our audience or from our colleagues. Danny and Hiroshi, do you have a question to ask Michael?
We have a question from Danny first.
Okay.
Who are your competitors? There might be giant companies in this area. How your solution is better than them?
Please
You
unmic. Yeah, you unmute your microphone.
Sorry, yeah. So actually it's a fairly new field, so there's not that much competition out there. Locally in Japan, we really don't have any competitors. There's one company that just started maybe a month ago that's very small, and we're not really sure what they're doing yet. Globally, there's a couple of companies that do things in a similar way. The most direct competitors would be either Duality or like Infer. Essentially, they work with homomorphic encryption as well, and they're mostly US based right now. So it's not that there's no competition, but there's no big competition out there yet. Our database product was released at the very beginning of last year. The closest competitor that we have, Duality, released a very similar product essentially maybe 2 months later or 3 months later. So they're just essentially one competitor.
So what is your advantage against that competitor?
So we actually haven't seen their product ourselves, but the way we approach it is we focus not only on securing data itself, but also on integrating it with AI models, allowing you to create AI models that can consume encrypted data. So essentially our advantage is one, providing a comprehensive service. We can build out the AI model for you. We can set it up so that it can consume encrypted data, set up your secure computing storage as well. And the other one is our focus on performance, but I imagine most companies are trying to go there as well.
Okay, the next question would be who are your targeted customers?
Okay, great question. So essentially anyone that has any sort of private or confidential information that they need to secure or exchange with other entities. I guess the biggest use cases that we have so far would be financial institutions, as well as logistics. So essentially in financial institution cases, it would be the exchange of transaction information to detect fraud. In logistics cases, it's essentially the exchange of information between different locations or suppliers without revealing the actual inside raw data.
Mhm. Good. We have another questions. What is your characteristics for encryption? I have heard that conventional password system is vulnerable by automatic number breaking.
Okay.
Yep.
So there's several strategies that we use. For secure computing, it's not really traditional encryption anymore. We use several different approaches. What we focus on is homomorphic encryption. Homomorphic encryption is actually so far mathematically proven to be even quantum computing resistant. However, the more complexity you add to it, the more performance it will require. So it really depends on how much, what's your security requirements. But in general, it should be more secure than standard approaches, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Claire, do we still have time?
No, I think we use all the time. So thanks for the question and the answer as
Thank you very
well.
much.
Thank you. Thank you
Thanks.
so much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So now we welcome the second stop, Unigine. So let's welcome Rock to join us. Hello, Rock. Are you with us? Bruno, did you see Rock?
Yes, he's coming.
us?
I just add him.
Thank you.
Yes.
Usually it's when for such a pitch person switch, it will take time. Okay. Thanks for your understanding. Okay.
Maybe, I don't know. I just had him, but
We saw him a moment ago, right?
yes,
Right.
yes.
Yeah. What we saw us online. All right. So maybe we can have a two-stop standbys with us, so we can operate it even much more smoothly. Okay. We apologize for each case closed.
Great.
Okay. Now we have Rock with us. Hello, Rock.
Hi, I'm Rock. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you, and
Yeah,
your
I'm
founder
Rock.
as well. Yeah.
Yeah, Jay's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Because we have you two together, so why not you two introduce yourself to audience first, all right?
Okay. I think this is Jay from Unigine. What we are doing actually is especially a new generation of AI interactive fitness content. And this is specially designed for smart home fitness. And we believe it is what we try to provide is an affordable, convenient, connected, and most importantly, interactive type of exercise service platform for you to do exercise at any time, anywhere, and make it very convenient. So at the moment, we are actually working with some leading telecom operators in Taiwan already. And we start our service actually in November last year. So hopefully you will like our service.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for sharing such a great, successful story made by your company. Next, Rock, please. Hi, Rock. Yeah, can you introduce yourself as well?
Oh, I'm Rock, the CEO from Unigine. Nice to see you here. So that's all. So we can start the video.
All right, so we play back your pitch video. Okay, let's enjoy. Hello, Bruno.
Hi, ladies.
Okay, great.
This is Unigine from Taiwan. My name is Rock, the COO of Unigine. Unigine provides people they can work out anytime with AI technology under 5G environment. Under the attack of COVID-19, we have some key problems. People need to stay at home, don't know how to self-training. The fitness equipment are expensive. and there is no one-on-one feedback from the trainer. Even people work out at home. So we provide the new generation fitness solution. Unigym Interactive Fitness Service can be brought into the living room through a set-top box. If you use set-top box and subscribe our app, you can have huge content to choose, and initiate motion correction and interactive function with affordable price. When people start to use, you can see the gamified effects like you are playing video games such as Nintendo. Those are generated by our AI technology. So our content generating speed is amazing than any competitors. And you will have real-time feedback remind you where to correct with our AI technology. The second generation of our product is called UniCell. It means people can use Unigym Interactive Fitness Service with a cell phone. Here is the demonstration of our prototype. Once you want to work out, you just need to use your mobile phone. Unlock your mobile phone. Choose Unigym. You can see the menu. Choose the workout you want to do. You can choose to AirPlay to the TV or projector. Click your ID, then you put the phone horizontally. Connect your heart rate band with Bluetooth. Enter the training codes, and adjust your distance and let your whole body in the screen. Stay for 3 seconds to capture your motion. Then you start to work out.
And time. Good job.
After workout, you can see your performance and duration, and your score and the leaderboard, your heart rate zone, and the AI technology will let you know where your posture is good or need to adjust. Also, we have regular live broadcast workout. Users can get in a chatting room and start to work out with their favorite trainer online and get real-time feedback. In the upcoming event area, we will let the users know what the newest classes just on board. We also provide challenge function and let the users to compete. They can choose the challenge they would like to join, and the challenge can be raised by users and trainers. For some users, they might have their goal. They can pick and follow the plan to lose weight or be stronger. As we saw on the video, UniCell not only has the features from UniHome, but also have more functions like live broadcast, community, and we let the users have better experience with higher speed and mobility of Telecom's 5G system. As we will compare with our competitors, we are killer app of online fitness because we have better functions and more contents, and people don't need to spend money for buying an equipment to start. And the monthly subscription fee is much lower than any other one. We already launched our UniHome service with the #1 cable TV provider last year in Taiwan, and we will launch UniHome with Chunghwa Telecom, the #1 internet service provider in Q2 this year, and start UniCell with either one of them in 2021. And the progress in global market, we have signed a collaboration contract with China Telecom, the top 3 leader in China market. And we also signed MOU with Orange and Bytel in France, HKT Smartone in Hong Kong, and smart TV like Sharp, Heren. We have 2 partnership options for 5G Telecom. Option 1 is the app will be named as Telecom brand related products. The option 2 is Unigym launch independent product, and we offer partnership term to telecoms. We can provide special package to telecom users like special courses and lock courses. The 2 options and the collaboration details are open to discussion. Here is our brief introduction. We are looking for potential partners to enter APAC market. If you have any question, you can contact us. Our CEO Jay will meet you in the Q&A session. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, so we welcome Rock and the founder back to join us as well. Okay, so and also the question to them.
Okay, who is creating your contents?
We create our content by ourselves. Actually,
Rock, sorry to interrupt you. Can you show up your face, share your screen, share your video?
We already shared.
Okay, great.
Can
Okay,
you
I
see
saw
us?
you. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Actually, we create the contents by ourselves, collaborate with all the trainers. So the trainers actually come to our studio to shoot the raw material, the class, the program, and then we will add on all the effect and all the AI elements into the video. So people can start to using this interactive AI training content.
Mm-hmm. So do you translate the contents into other languages as well?
At the moment, we don't really translate just yet because we will normally produce the local content when we start a local market. For example, we start our market in China. We produce about 1,000 episodes right now in China. And when we start the Taiwanese market, we already so far produce about 600 more episodes. And we produce about 50 to 60 episodes per month. So this is our speed of generation contents. So we will not really using the same material for the same local market. Actually, we will produce the local programs for the local market.
Okay, so now focusing on Chinese market, right?
Yes, and maybe the first half of this year will focus on China market, and hopefully the second half of this year we will starting the Northeast and Southeast Asia.
Okay, the next question is that do you have any STB OS requirements to be distributed?
You mean the STB? What is that?
Set-top box, maybe.
Oh, right. Yes. Well, we have a two way to distribute our contents. One is through the set-top box. Yes, this is mainly we work with the broadband or internet operators, so such as the cable or MOD in Taiwan. But we can also distribute our content through mobile phone. And so basically you can simply use a mobile phone to play our service. And what you want to do, you maybe want to like connect your mobile phone to a TV or to a projector or even LED panels. So that is really depends on yourself.
So you have Android and iOS version.
That's right.
Okay. Next question would be a personal video during exercise. Are they stored in your cloud?
Yes, actually, we will say not personal. Okay, it's our class. Our class, the coaches program is stored in the cloud. But when our users start to using our exercise, we do not store the users' video. We only collect the users' exercise digital data.
So users can store their data on their device?
No, in the cloud, but they can use their device to access his or her own database.
Okay.
So we will keep the exercise data for all the users.
So you mentioned about you focus on China this year, and after that in Asia. What about the European market? When do you plan to go into Europe?
The European market, well, we are really waiting for identify suitable partners because Unigym really is a pure technical company. We are not really good at, be honest with you, we are not really good at sales channel or marketing. So in terms of local operation, we will really need some supportive local partners to work with us. So about the timing to Europe, we really have to identify some really supportive local partner to discuss in detail with us to help Unigym to enter the European market.
So if Orange will be your partner, that would be the perfect for you, right?
Definitely, yeah. That's what we are looking for.
Good. And next question is, since you are using the iPhone or Android mobile, how much does it drain the battery?
Well, actually, we don't. I don't think it's going to drain your battery sooner than any other video applications. So basically, what your mobile phone really is doing, I think you can just use it normally because it won't heat it up. I don't think it will cost more battery than any other video service.
Mhm. We have many more questions today, but
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
they can of course email to us. We are more than happy to answer any single questions.
Yes, we still have
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
exhibition time, to welcome the guests to ask the question. Thank you, Hiroshi, to help our audience collecting more information from Unigine team. Thank you so much. All right,
Thank you.
so
Bye-bye.
bye. Bye. Okay, then we would like to invite the next stop, the 3D Lens. Okay, so I saw Oil with us. Hi, Oil, please say hello to everyone.
Hi, I'm Oyo, the co-founder and CEO of 3D Lens. 3D Lens aims to provide smart mobility solution with our product vehicle intelligence platform. By collecting data from vehicles and get useful information from them, we can help the mobility industry, such as logistics, car rental company, to manage assets and optimize their operations.
Thank you. You said a lot of keywords already about your company. All right, great. So let's enjoy your pitch video.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hi, we are 3D Lens. I'm Oyo, the co-founder and CEO of 3D Lens. 3D Lens is a B2B and IoT solution provider. This is our first product, Vehicle Intelligence Platform. More and more commercial vehicle owners, they want to upload the telematics data to optimize their traditional operations and launch the new mobility services. But they don't know how to do it because the software and hardware integration is not an easy stuff, and they don't know how to analyze this telematics data. If they want to build their own IT team, it's high cost and time consuming. So we propose the Vehicle Intelligence Platform by the diverse IoT devices, for example, the GPS tracker, the OBD2, or simple, the mobile phone. With the multiple protocols, LoRa, CFast, and BLT, upload the data to our Vehicle Intelligence Platform. Then this is the features we can provide. Not only the fleet management, but also the ERP and online payment to bridge the customer and service operators' needs. We also do the data analysis stuff. For example, the statistics report, route optimization, driving behavior, and predictive maintenance. In the whole IoT industry value chain, we position 3D Lens in the middle of the pictures. We provide SaaS, software as a service. We can provide a CMS module, data analysis module, and utility functions. This is our business model. It's quite simple. We charge the subscription fee. Per vehicle per month, we charge from $5 to $10. The minimum quality MOQ is 50 units and at least 2-year contract. We also charge the customization service to fit customers' business operation needs. This is our first paid pilot customer in Taiwan. It's called Zoucha. They are e-scooter rental company. Before, if they want to expand a new service, they need to open a new physical store. But now, after apply our service, including the GPS tracker installation, the QR code scanning, the geofencing, the online payment, they can quickly cooperate with the hotel, visa centers. They become a self-service rental service. There will be 2,000 cars connected to our platform by the end of this year. We help them to generate more revenue, about 25%. We can provide our customer into two parts. One is ride vehicle sharing, and another is the logistics firms. We help them to build the delivery capacity matching. What is delivery capacity matching? Imagine we combine all the components, e-commerce, logistics, delivery man, rental vehicles to our platform. Then we try to figure out the maxima, the ROI, the capacity. We also help the automakers to build the experiential marketing. This is our business expansion plan. We start from Taiwan. Now we have customers in Malaysia and Singapore. We also survey the USA and the Europe market. We are seeking the A-round fundraising. We asked 3 million. We are finding the strategic partners in mobility, logistics, and sharing industry. And this is where we use the money. This is my team. All the co-founders major in computer science. We are college in MediaTek. This is the top first, the IC design company in Taiwan. Thank you. We are 3D Runs. 3D Runs is the best partner of your mobility service. Thank you.
All right, so we finished to watch their pitch video, and we welcome the question now.
Okay.
I don't see any questions yet, so I have a question. So you are providing a sensor device as well to the customers, or the customers have to prepare their own devices?
Actually, because we have some advantages, because we are in Taiwan, so the hardware manufacturers is very strong. So we have the vendor list for generate the hardware, so we can cooperate with them, this hardware manufacturer factory. So we can provide a total solution, including our software and the partners hardware, build a total solution, then provide to our customer another business. So this is what our business model. We are doing the B2B, not the B2C. I see one question. Is how is it different from QNX? Actually, the QNX is software for the vehicles. And what we do is combine all the vehicles data, the people, the people data, and the cars, and all the sensor data to our platform, to the cloud. Then we want to maximize the ROI, the capacity. This is what we do. Also, can customer implement their own solution without your help, data privacy? Can customer implement their own solution without your help? Actually, to cooperate with our customer, because we can provide more flexible function to them. It didn't provide the general function without help. So you need to help with us to get more the insights and the business functions. Data privacy. Actually, the data privacy is the important question. So we only process the data. We didn't own the data.
Okay. And next question.
Okay.
Each business have different workflow. Does your platform allows customization?
Yes, this is a good question. Yes, what we do is provide a customization and flexibility to the customer. So this is the advantage for startups. This is a startup's advantage. And could you summarize the benefit for your customer in financial value?
Oh, we don't get your point. Yeah.
For example, we can have more money. I can give one example for the car rental company. Before they are traditional, the traditional car rental company, but now we help them to do the digital transformation, so they can quickly cooperate with the 7-Eleven, the Family Mart to do the car rentals. So they can quickly they can rent their cars more. You mean help them to more rent their cars so they can earn more money. Cost saving, revenue generation per vehicle per month. We charge from $5 to $10. This is the charge. Also the customization fee. Yeah, if there is any questions, other questions, I can answer in my expo. I see a lot of questions from now. Yeah, interesting.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know we take time to get us to know much details about a company. Maybe so we can measure in later times during the expo. time period. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank
Sure.
you. Thank you all to join us. All right. We'll see you later. Yeah, at your booth. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. So our pleasure to welcome the next stop, Max. All right. I would like to check. Elisa, are you with us? Hi, Elisa. Hi. Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Can you make a self-introduction to our audience?
Okay, so I'm Alyssa, and I'm in charging of global business developing in Next. So our company is focusing on the industrial air solution as a service. So based on our own original AR technology, and with 10 years of experience, we have been launching our service last year, and I'd like to talk about this service. The name is MaxWork, and please enjoy the video, and then let's talk later.
All right, so let's grab more information from your pitch video. Let's do it.
All right. Hi, this is Melissa from Maxt. Today, I'd like to introduce industrial AR service named MaxWork. Everybody knows that AR solution is helpful, but because of the high cost and long development period, no one can start AR right away. This is why MaxWork is born. Communication in industrial area is difficult, but with MaxWork, it is easy. Call for expert to get AR annotated advice wherever they are. Any smartphones, iOS, Android, tablet, PC, you can use any device regardless of manufacturer. Use AR drawing to tell exact point of the machine you have to work on. Expert can give advice at the machine directly. 4 people can work together. 3 experts can give directions to 1 worker at once. Images can be shared in the chatting room, but sometimes we need more. That's why PC screen sharing is possible. All files such as document, video, even 3D objects can be shared to the field worker and help them efficiently. Every call is being recorded on the device. So if this call is needed to be saved for evidence or an educational material, you can upload the video to the admin page to share this. If you have repeated work, you can make your AR manual on your own. Anyone can build an AR manual without coding or development expertise using drag and drop. With one click of update, this manual will be uploaded to the server so every user can see them. The instructions can be seen in front of the machine exactly, so field workers can understand it very intuitively. Already, various companies in Korea discovered the value of MaxWork. Samsung Electronics is using AR solution to make paperless environment, which is key element for clean room. Global shipbuilder DSME is also using MaxWork to collaborate with many vendors in worldwide. They need MaxWork to inspect the ship with vendors at once and using recorded video as evidence material of finishing their job. Other Korean machinery manufacturers adopted MaxWork to use it when they support customers or control qualities of machine after delivery. Normally, this kind of machine is very big, so that the manufacturer has to dispatch their engineer to their site for every call. But with MaxWork, can reduce those business trips. A subscription-based service, MaxWork, can be purchased through the website, and a free trial for a month is given to every member without limitation of functions. Enterprise plan is also prepared for the company which cannot adopt service as itself. Now, almost 300 of users are actively registered in MaxWork, and in 2021, we are expecting 2,000 as domestic users. Global revenue of industrial AR software is estimated as $1,708 million in 2021. Actually, it is growing fast. Definitely, it has tremendous potential And with an increasing trend of smart factories, the lead of Maxwork will also increase. To tap this market, Maxwork has two big strategies. Firstly, constant update. The working environment will be changed and technology will also develop further. After launching, massive update version was released in 4 months, including PC screen sharing, which is very powerful that other similar solution does not have. Subsequently, more functions are being discussed for the next update, such as 3D creation tools, more smart glasses support, speech-to-text, and more. Connecting IoT data and visualizing them will be also possible soon. Second, developing a profit-sharing model with 5G network provider. As Maxwork is a cloud-based service, thinking of an internet network is inevitable to us. But general manufacturing sites, especially SME, which is our target group, still have a lot of network unavailable area, so that many customers ask about this. So now we are trying to launch a new charge plan for 5G network service in the industrial workplace, including Maxwork, cooperating telecommunication service provider such as SKT, KT, and Uplus. We need to bring 5G service into our product because it is impossible to use Maxwork without the network, and in the future, when more features are added to Maxwork, 5G speed will affect to our service quality. We are expecting that today we can meet our foreign network partner. I will finish this video with our existing partners list.
Okay, great. I saw your Maxworks is really a comprehensive AI solution for 5G, IoT, or smart factories application. Looks good. Okay, so let's collect the questions from our colleagues or audience. Yes, Hiroshi.
The first one is from Danny, our colleague. What is the
Okay.
next step after purchasing online? Do they download mobile app to start using your service?
Yes, correct. So if you purchase our product, you will get some email regarding how to use our product. So with this, you just following the instruction of the email. So we are supporting multi-platform. So if you want to use our service by app, mobile app, you can just go to the app market and download it, or you can use it as a PC browser, internet browser. We are supporting Chrome. So after this is all you need to start our service. So if you're ready, you can start. If you are ready, you can use our service right away.
So generally, the users use their tablet or mobile phone.
Oh yeah, so far yes, because we don't have any very enough smart glasses because in the hardware sector. So most of our customer is using smartphone or tablet or PC because PC screen sharing is possible. So many customer is using our service with PC and mobile device.
Maybe, but users on site in front of the machines or those things, they have to use maybe mobile phone or tablet, right?
Yeah. So now for now they are doing that, but after developing the hardware of smart glasses, we have more plans to supporting that, and actually we are supporting now already. But Maxwork can be used in RearWear and Nrear, and we have more to developing it. So maybe later our customer can use more smart glasses as they need.
Okay, so maybe like a HoloLens or those things.
We are trying to do that.
Okay, you're trying. Okay, it's in your roadmap. Okay.
Yes.
And next question is that for industrial use, I guess 3D data of machinery, factory tools are necessary.
Yes, correct.
Any tools for it?
Actually, we maybe not right now because for Maxwork is supporting only 2D contents, but later we are developing it for the 3D contents. So maybe you can upload the 3D data to our authoring tool, the name Create, and the workers can see the 3D data in front of the machine with their phone or smart glasses. So we are doing it already, but this is very difficult for us because to use 3D data in AR manual, and the creator can deal with the 3D contents and or their maybe design tool or so. This will be change our target customer group. So maybe we are thinking of getting it both of them, or we can just transferring to the 3D content. We are not decided yet, but already we are thinking of 3D data into our AR contents.
Okay, so do you plan to go global market?
Yes, actually we are already global, so our service is globally launched. So maybe some of our customer is using our service in foreign company, for example, India, United States or so.
Okay. So maybe your customer in Korea, like a big company like Samsung or those guys have factories in the other countries, so they use this.
That would be also possible and sounds good, but for now, our foreign customer is not that big, and they are using their own company.
Okay, so you directly sell your product to foreign customers.
For now, yes, but it is very difficult for us because we are very small startups, and in this process, we need your support like you guys. So this is why we are participating in this event, and also we have to expand our foreign market more and more many. So we are trying to making partnership with foreign companies.
Okay, good. Maybe.
Okay. Yes, it's almost time's up. Okay, thank you so much. A lot of further information shared during this Q&A session. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Bye. And next, let's welcome the startup, Learning Pal from Tokyo. Let's welcome Austin to join us. Hello, Austin. Yes, please introduce yourself. Hi.
Yeah. So I'm Austin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Learning Pal. So we are actually based in California. So I'm calling from California right now. So the reason why the reason why we joined Orange Fab Asia, the Tokyo chapter, was because we receive a lot of traction and interest from Japanese companies, and that's why we are here today. And hopefully we can find more collaborations through this event. Thank you.
Very welcome. Yeah, thank you to spend time with us. I know now it's not really good time for you guys from California to join this event. Thank you so much. So let's enjoy your pitch video.
Thank you. Imagine one day you don't have to deal with paperwork anymore, and we are making this a reality. I'm Austin, CEO of Learning Pal. We are an enterprise document management platform. This is Joe. He has to deal with a bunch of paperwork before doing the actual important tasks. In fact, employees are drowning in documents every single day, wasting companies millions of dollars. Luckily, Learning Pal can turn any kind of scanned documents into organized formats, such as spreadsheets or JSON, so the results can be integrated into your ERP platforms. The existing workflow is broken. Employees have to manually verify the document content and enter those data into a computer. The process is prone to human errors. What's more, existing solutions just don't work. A tier 1 oil and gas company uses a similar solution for processing invoices, but the accuracy is only 20%. So they had to recheck everything manually again, causing delays. That's why we started LearningPal, to help companies in the three main sectors, which are logistics, financial, and industrial sectors, to improve their document processing efficiencies. Our proprietary document capture technology is built to handle real-world documents with high accuracy. We can handle both machine-printed fonts as well as handwritten characters. Use cases include invoice processing, warehouse timesheet capture, financial statements digitization, and more. The challenge here is the ability to recognize and extract data from different layouts of the same type of document. For example, different invoices, as you can see on the left, and turn them into the same format as you can see on the right. Traditional technology is based on existing document templates. So if the document changes its layout, the technology fails to recognize the data. Whereas for LearningPal, we can still detect the layouts automatically and then extract only the desired information for our clients. LearningPal AI automation can process a page of document in less than 30 seconds with more than 95% accuracy. Imagine how much time and costs can be saved with our solution. Additionally, users can manage those documents and view relevant statistics on the cloud dashboard. We charge tiered annual SaaS fees based on usage. Our product is currently in beta, and we've just signed a paid project with a French logistics company. At the same time, we're speaking with companies in Japan, Singapore, and Germany. This is a $13 billion market that grows 14% annually, which is faster than the global SaaS market. To capture this opportunity, we built a team of AI and marketing experts. I have several years of global partnerships experience, including 2 years in an AI startup backed by 500 startups. Also, we are supported by brilliant advisors and partners, including 500 startups, Orange, and a co-founder of Alibaba. To achieve our goal of 500K ARR by the end of this year, we are inviting partners in the logistics, financial, and industrial sectors, as well as selected seed investors. Let's make every company in the world more efficient. Thank you.
Thank you. So let's see what questions from our audience.
Yeah, the first one is which language does your solution support?
Yes, for machine printed fonts, we support most available languages out there. And for handwritten languages, we support Japanese, Latin-based languages, for example, English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, etc. And we can also do check marks. Yeah.
What about other Asian languages like Chinese?
For some Chinese characters, we can do because it overlaps with kanji. But onboarding a new language isn't really an issue as long as we have sufficient amount of training data. So if anyone is willing to provide their documents for us to take a look, feel free to email me.
Okay. And you said that the 95% accuracy, how do you handle with the rest of 5%?
Yeah, this is a very good question because for all AI-based solutions, there is always percentage of error. So how we deal with this is we have, on our platform, we allow the users to verify those results with low confidence level score. So for every result, we will give it a score. So for those ones, we just let the humans to double check, and they just need to verify those results. And then they can also manually edit and correct those information on the dashboard. And once they are corrected, our solution will learn and become better and better.
Mm-hmm. The next question is about the Japanese market, and I know already, but could you maybe explain a bit more details about the traction in Japan?
Yeah, so currently we're, like I said in the pitch video, we're still in beta. So we are still trying to do more pilots and see
which one actually works. So right now we are talking to a Japanese insurance company for a paid pilot. So if that works out, then it will definitely be ready to market in Japan more easily. Because right now we're still trying to test out which application and which use case works in Japan. But of course, if you know anyone in Japan who's interested, just let me know.
So you don't have any commercial clients at this moment?
Not yet.
Not
Hopefully,
yet.
by the end of April, we'll have to probably, yeah.
In financial industry.
Financial industry is one of them, and also logistics company. We are talking to a French logistics company right now.
Yeah. And what about in Japan?
In Japan, mostly just insurance and financial institutions, but yeah, it's gonna take a while for them to make the decision.
Okay, good. Maybe that's all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Astin. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
All right. See you later. Yeah, Austin, see you later.
Maybe
Okay.
on the virtual booth. Yeah.
Yeah, see you later. Yes, at the booth. All right. Okay. So next, I would like to introduce the staff also from Japan as well. That's Spasley. So we have Hirokazu-san to join us. Hello. Please introduce yourself. Hello.
Hello, I'm Hiro from Space3, CEO and the founder of Space3 in Tokyo. So what we are doing is to provide VR cloud software for business customers to create and utilize the VR panorama content. So the reason why we are joining is that we are not going to global, but in the near future, I will. So from that point, we are joining.
Our pleasure to help staff to go international always. All right, so next, let's enjoy your picture video, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's do it.
Yep.
Bruno, everything all right from your side? Are we ready to play back?
Oh, just a moment. So.
No, our colleague Bruno will help. Yes.
Sorry.
Okay.
So, okay, so I need to share the screen video, right?
No, we will manage it by ourselves from our side. I just want to ask my colleague Bruno, make sure as well he could play by your video well. Yes.
Yeah, I have already sent a video. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
Here we are. Sometimes we'll have just connectivity issue. It will take time.
Okay.
Just a few more seconds. Yes.
Okay.
All right. So let's enjoy the video.
This is Hiro from Space3 in Japan. So what we are doing is to provide cloud software, EasyVR anywhere. Our client companies can create, edit, and utilize VR content very easily and effectively. So this is how it works. So our clients, companies buy 360 photos, 360 cameras. They are sold all over. And then they can take a photo and the movies, upload the data to our cloud. So then our cloud can create the content automatically. That content is used for the marketing, analytics, and the training and the sales and so on. So, for example, this is a case of the real estate. Usually, you can see this kind of the contents all over the world. So, our clients, this content very easily. Then they can use this content in the communication with the clients. The good thing is that this content can improve the online conversion rate. And usually our client, real estate and housing market, they offer the on-site viewing usually, but this VR content replaces it online. This means end users will be happy to make it efficient. Therefore, our companies can improve their contract rate. So not only in the real estate and the housing market, usually our clients are in the training area. This is the next sample. So this shows how waiters work in the hall. So in this movie is split into the two monitor screen because this is captured with a VR device. So this waiter clean up the table, and then the client, the guest, call these waiters. In this case, this waiter has to judge whether they have to go to the guest immediately or after cleaning up the table, they will go to the guest. The answer is this waiter has to go to the guest immediately. They have to judge the situation. So our client create this content by themselves very easily. So then our company can save time on the job training, and the companies can offer a new training for the part-time and the waiters, something like that, especially in the factories recently. So, and also they can improve the retention rate. That's why our client in the real estate, housing, and the training area, they can pay $100 every month. Our business model is SaaS. So we started this business 4 years ago. Now we have over 5,000 business users. It's growing, and also the churn rate is very critical. So our churn rate is good enough, 1.1% monthly, and the net revenue churn rate is negative successfully. So usually, basically what we are doing is to provide innovative solutions with overwhelming technical capabilities, not just creating the 360 photos. So for example, you can see this video. We converted 360 photo, just a photo, into the 3D layout model. So yeah, 360 photo shows a sense of space, but this is photo. We converted it into the 3D layout. Then our clients can measure. This is the new use case of the 360 VR content. So this is the next sample. If we can convert the 360 photo into the 3D layout, that means our clients can put the furniture on the floor, for example. So the good thing is that our accuracy is good enough to use these simulators. So the client can select the furniture and then they can put on the floor. So basically what we are doing is to create the new use case of the 360 photo VR. So then we can create and we can create the new market, and then we will take it. So we're not going to global, but this is good enough market in Japan, $1.5 billion. So, and this year we will plan to get next Series B finance, so which boost our business to accelerate realizing our vision. So basically, we believe that the 360 panorama is a kind of the norm for the future days, and we will make it in the near future. Thank you.
Okay, now we know what your company is doing. All right, so let's collect questions from audiences or Hiroshi.
Yeah, I find one question from audience. How is your service different from services like Matterport?
Yes, it's a little bit similar. And actually, in the high-end housing market, we have to compete sometimes in Japan. So, but the different thing is that we, as the video shows, we just convert the 360 photo into the 3D layout. That means we don't need any expensive camera. So the Matterport basically requires some kind of the camera to take a photo and also the depth map. So what we are doing is to just take a photo, then we automatically convert the data into the 3D layout. So therefore, the the companies, our business users can use, measuring the size, or they put the furniture or something like that. So that is a different point.
Mm-hmm. So even small, mid-sized companies, clients can use your service much easily and even cheaper price, maybe.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Next one, I got one. What is the current accuracy of the solution in placing different furniture pieces in the room?
Just a kind of a technical question, but okay, simply speaking, so it's a range of the 1% in terms of the size. So we need to put a lot of the technologies to realize it, but as a result, around 1%. That's why it is good enough for users to use, putting the furniture or something like that.
Okay, maybe I have a question. Probably, can you tell us a little bit about the impact of the COVID-19? Because there may be positive impact as well, right? If you find, you find new customers from, new industries or new use cases, can you tell us?
Yeah, so I can see a lot of the changes in the world. So, and we have the negative and the positive point. So from the positive point, so we have a lot of the contacts from the real estate housing companies. So we are growing first. So, but in the flip side, so in the training area, some companies reduce the investment in the training, the human resources. This is the negative side. But basically, that COVID-19 expand the DX market. That is the VR is very, I believe that VR is kind of the center of this trend. So we can, expand the market application to the different areas, not only real estate, but also, the e-commerce or, not only the training, so more side, the advertisement area. So we believe that it could expand our business.
I got another one. Do you plan to expand your service outside Japan anytime soon?
Yes, sure. So actually, there's our customers the outside of Japan will use our service. That's why I'm very seriously thinking about going to global.
He said, particularly in high-end residential property market in Asia.
Yes, it's very potential. So so if you are interested, so I would like to talk later.
Okay, another question. Who pays? Real estate company pays subscription fee?
Yes, this is a SaaS model. So the unit price is around $200 to $500 monthly. So
Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you. We definitely welcome more questions, but yes, we'll consider the time. So thank you so much. And also very good to hear, yes, the COVID-19 not just only changing the people's life, but some of stuff does see, the good opportunity for them. Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, so let's welcome the last stop, 3i. Well, so let's welcome Antoine to join us. Hello, Antoine.
Hi, everyone. I'm Antoine.
Please introduce yourself to our audience, please.
Yeah, sure. I'm Antoine Grenier, marketing manager at 3i Inc. And basically, we created a solution called Insight, which enables you to visit the place you cannot go to and collaborate with others remotely in 360 degree. So we enable you to basically capture any kind of site and generate the digital twins in minutes and layer it with valuable information like document or live data sensors. So we provide an end-to-end hardware and software solution, which has a good track record for the construction and facility management industries, and especially for telecommunication companies, global actors.
Okay, thank you. All right. I think the audience are all very keen to watch your pitch video. So let's enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. I'm Antoine, marketing manager at 3i. 3i Inc. is a Korean company.
I think we have a small problem. Okay.
Computer vision and artificial intelligence capture and create virtual replicas of built environment. what we call digital twins. This is what we will talk about today with Insight, which is a visual inspection and collaboration solution for mission-critical facilities. Insight brings the power of the digital twin to the facility management and construction industries. When you are a global telecommunication leader such as Orange, with thousands of facilities in the world, millions of equipments and machines to maintain, thousands of employees and subcontractors to monitor, it quickly becomes a challenge for HQ to keep track of projects. When it comes to keeping an eye on things, there are often no real alternatives. You have to send a surveying team on site to perform inspection and document the progress of work, check equipment, machinery, physical infrastructure, or even space occupancy. Hundreds of pictures and memos are taken. Photo reports are created and shared with the relevant stakeholders, a process which can take up to a week. If anything is missing, they will have to go back. All the data will amount to nothing at the end because it will be hard to organize, retrieve, and leverage. It is estimated that 70% of the workforce time is wasted in that process. And this was before the pandemic. With the coronavirus, going on-site has become a challenge in itself, and distributed teams are more than ever lacking a space to meet and collaborate together. So, let me ask you the question. How do you successfully manage more than 59,000 cell tower sites spanning across 3 continents? How do you keep an eye on all your data centers, the one that you own and the one that you share? You simply cannot go everywhere, especially today. This is what our solution Insight solves. 3i Inc. launched Insight, a visual inspection and collaboration solution for mission-critical facilities. Insight enables you to automatically capture and compile 360-degree imagery to streamline inspection processes for construction project and facility management. Insight encapsulates the entire life cycle of your asset portfolio and make it accessible through one unique and intuitive interface. With Insight, we are able to generate a digital twin of a space in minutes and use it as a framework for collaboration. The digital twin is layered with valuable documentation and serves as an immersive knowledge base and as a tool for project management. We use our own spatial camera, Atlas Go, to capture any space. Our client told us that it could reduce inspection time by 30% and either send less people to inspect or use resources already available on site. All the surveys are organized in our Insight SaaS platform. Insight enables you to organize and manage all types of sites and projects under one single interface and ensure that the right person has access to the right information. Insight is enterprise ready, and our backend can support you to scale the mapping of your sites across the globe faster than any other solution. To make the digital twin a living organism, which is our biggest differentiator with our competitors, we have developed numerous collaboration features. The digital twin is not just another database. Teams can now directly meet there and exchange like they would in real life. Our solution is currently being used by global leaders such as Samsung Electronics for their smart factories, but also NTT Communication within 70 data centers in Japan, Europe, and the US. With Insight, NTT could achieve important cost savings regarding travels and management, and they are also saving a lot of time and can allocate their resources to more valuable tasks. NTT is now monitoring the lifecycle of the data center from construction to operation to marketing using our platform and are planning to expand to 150 data centers by the end of 2021. Now we believe that Orange can use our solution to access remote places such as cell tower sites that are regionally distributed by nature, and our portal can help you build a centralized portfolio that could serve as a foundation for equipment installation, maintenance, or retrofit, and support your 5G rollout strategy. Insight can also help you access hard-to-reach places such as rooftop cell towers, where safety and timing are of the essence. Insight can help you plan all your maintenance operation, highlight access protocol or hazardous areas, and serve as support for training. So remember that. At 3i, we connect people and places. Thank you very much for your time.
All right, so the video we just enjoyed, and then we have a question. What will be those questions from audience?
Okay.
Can you
Before
help? Yes.
Questions from audiences, I have some questions, and first one will be, what is your business model?
So our business model is very simple. We provide the license to our clients. So they basically buy a pack of square meter footage, and then can use it however they want. They can invite as much user to the platform as they want. They can make as much survey as they want, so they could inspect and capture the space every day if they want. So we really want to structure something that is great for enterprises. And we also are, for example, with some of our clients, we are also exploring reseller partnerships. So we can help you make money with our solution.
Mm-hmm. So you basically provide the service through the distributor.
Yes. So it's a great way for enterprise clients to reach their own clients and provide new service for their portfolio.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm just curious about how many cameras actually they need. For example, the case of a big data center of NTT Communications. How many cameras are they using?
So you don't need a lot of cameras per se. You just need to have one 360 camera mounted on a tripod, and you can capture a whole facility in a day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good.
So you just basically walk, take a picture, walk, take a picture, walk, take a picture, and we can locate you in real time as you walk and merge everything into one final result at the end.
Okay, I have another question. Are the information live or has to be updated?
Mm-hmm. So, as you may understand, it's basically taking a snapshot of your facility. So it's one time in each week, one time per day, one time per month. It's really depend on your needs and your workflow. What you can do is also input live information such as sensor data. So we integrate with SAP Asset Management Platform, and you can basically import equipment and monitor their condition and status directly in the digital twin. And you can also, for example, collaborate in real time with other people directly into the digital twin. So it's basically become a living organism and not just another dead repository.
So maybe can we use it as a kind of monitoring tool for facility taking photos all the time, and if there's something wrong, they will give you alert or something.
Exactly. You can basically troubleshoot. You are on site. You have some resources on site. They can troubleshoot any problem directly through the platform, and you receive a notification, and you can respond directly with a visual context of everything and all the documentation that may be inputted prior to this problem. So basically, Samsung Electronics is using it for different use cases, but they might capture every day for some reason sometimes. Or if they want to do training, they will capture once a very nice digital twin and then use it for safety, maybe access protocol training, and so on.
Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe we have some questions, but maybe it's time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Antoine. See you later at your booth. See you. Okay. So, bye. Okay. All right, so now we have done all the stuff, their pitch and the Q&A session. Next, we're gonna invite all our audience to visit their booth. All of you will have to leave here and go to the Expo zone. You could see the Expo icon on your left-hand side of the screen, okay? So please go to visit our stop. You will see the stop one by one, their star logo there, and you could decide which stop you want to visit. Of course, if you like, you can turn on the camera to chat with them as well, or just chat online. Thank you so much for your time for this event. We hope to see you soon. Please enjoy the following the network time. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, and take good care. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.